Okay, done. See.
Sir, you explained this the square of 3 digits, sir. We just need to do the exercise.
Explain this, but just I will explain one more time. Give any number of your choice, 3-digit number.
Sir, 432, sir. You told.
Sir, 279.
Sir, 432.
Or 279.
432, sir. Last time.
179.
Yes, sir. 70.
75 also is okay.
75, sir. 79.
Okay. Anything is okay. Anything is okay. Okay. First duplicate of
2 is 4.
2.
Then duplicate of
27. 27 is
duplicate of
279. 28.
Then duplicate of 79. And lastly duplicate of
9.
9.
Sir, you told that duplex, sir. You are telling duplicate.
Okay. Sorry. Duplex only. Okay, tell me, what is the duplex of 2?
4.
4. Duplex of 27 is? 2 times of 2 into 7.
28.
Yes, sir.
14 2 is 28. 28, we have to write it in this way, 2 and 8.
Yes, sir.
Balancing way.
Then
What is the duplex of 279?
Sir, 2
Times of
into 9
product of
plus
these two?
7. Sorry, 49. Okay, 18 plus 49.
Not 18. 2 times of 2 into 9. 18 2 is 36.
Sir,
36 plus 49.
36 plus 49.
Is how much? 85, I think.
85.
Okay. And then duplex of 79 is 2 times of 7 into 9. 7 9s are?
63.
63 double is?
180. Sorry, 126.
126, sir. So see here. We on 126, we have to write it in this way. 1 here, 2 here, 6 here. Okay. And then lastly,
9 duplex is 81.
9 duplex is 81. 8 here, 1 here. So after balancing, your answer will be?
Sir,
6.
So it will
Sorry,
be
not
6,
7.
9,
No, sir,
8,
that's wrong.
4, 1.
Sir.
It's 79841, sir. 79841.
Sorry. Yes.
7,
Sorry.
sir.
Yes, 7 only. 79841. That's the answer. Okay, let us do this exercise.
Sir, can you tell 105 also?
Sir, 432.
105 is 109 is already mentioned. Okay, the same way. Okay, Ritvik. Okay. Sudisha, are you there? Sudisha.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Yeah.
Duplicate of 1 is?
One.
Duplex of 1 is?
Sir, duplex 1 is sir, actually.
1 only. 1 square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then duplex of 12 is?
24, sir.
No. 2 into 1 into 2.
Okay, sir.
Double of product of the digits, sir. 2 into 1 into 2 is how much?
4, sir.
4. Then duplex of 121 is? 121. Product of these two, double plus square of this one.
Sir, it's going to be
2 into 1 into 1 plus 2 square.
going to be, sir, 8?
No. 2 square is 4 plus 2, 6.
6, sir. Yes.
6. And then again, cancel this one. Duplex of 21 is? Again, 2 into 1.
Yes, sir. 4.
4. And last duplex of 1 is?
1, sir.
1. So answer is 14641. And you don't have any carry here. That's why your answer is the final.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 14641. Reverse also it's 14641.
Even for 101 also. Sorry, 121 also.
Sir, for 111 it's.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I tell repeat?
Proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, so duplex of 1 is 1.
Okay.
And duplex of 10 is 0 because 0 is there in
Okay.
yes, sir. 0. And the duplex of 104, 1 into 4 into 2 plus
Is?
0 square is 8.
Okay, very good. Next.
0, 4, 0, 4, 0 into 4. Sir, it will be 0.
0 and last 4.
And last
duplexes,
4, it will be 16.
16. So the answer is
So the answer
10.
will be 10816.
816. That's all. Then Sahaswita, proceed.
Yes, sir. Duplicate of 2 is 4.
Okay.
2 0 is 0.
Okay.
203 is 12.
12. Okay. 1 carry. Then
03 is 0.
okay.
3 is 9.
9. So the answer is
41209.
41209. Correct. Then Shobhranov, proceed.
Sir, duplex of 1 is 1 only. And so duplex of 11 is 2 into 1 into 1 is equals to 3, sir.
No.
Sir, no, 2 only.
2 only. Okay. Then
Duplex of 113 is equals to 2 into 1 into 3 is
plus
equals to 33, sir. Sir, plus 3.
1 square. Middle number square.
Sir, is equals to 33.
How 33? 2 into
Sir,
1 into
how
3
33?
plus 1 square.
Okay, sir.
How much it is?
Sir, 6.
6 plus?
Sir, 2 into 1, right, sir?
No. End digits product.
Sir, 7.
Middle digit square.
Sir, 8.
Okay, 7. Only 7. Not it is 8. 1 square is 1 only, na?
Yes.
So 7. Then duplex
Sir,
of 13.
1 to the power 1000 is also 1, sir.
1 only. Shobhranov, 13 duplexes?
Sir, 6.
Yes, correct. And last 3 duplexes?
Sir, 3 duplex is 27.
No, 3 duplex. 3 square.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sir, 27.
3 threes are how much?
9. Sorry, sir.
9. Okay.
Sir, how 27?
Okay.
Sir,
And you don't have any carry here. That's why your answer is final. 1, 2, 7, 6, 9. That's all.
Sir, I did 3. 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are
3 cube that is.
yeah, sir.
Sir,
Ashwad.
yes, sir. One duplex is 1. 11 duplex is 2.
Okay.
And 116 duplex is 2 into 1 into 6 plus 1 to the power 2.
Okay.
It is 2 into 2, 12. It is 12, sir.
12 plus 1.
12 plus
1
1,
square
sir.
is 1.
13.
13. 1 here, 3 here. 1 will be carried.
2 into
Next.
1 into 6 is 12.
Okay. And last?
Last is 6. 6 into 6, 36.
36. And the answer is?
1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Correct. 2 missing. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Aditya, I think.
Yes, sir.
Aditya, are you there?
online.
Aditi is there? No, I think.
No, sir, she's not there, sir.
Sir, you
Okay,
can
then.
give that question to anyone.
Ritvik.
No.
Nimala.
Sir, you can.
Sir, I have to do, sir.
1 or
Sir,
10.
then first 2 squares, 1 square, sir. Sir, which is 1.
Okay.
Sir, and then 1 and 0, 1, 2 into 1 into 0, sir, which is 0.
0. Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
and then 1 into 1, 2 into 1 into 8, and then 0 duplex, sir.
0 square you can ignore. And 2
Okay.
into 1 into 8 is how much?
Sir, that would be 16, sir.
Okay. 1 here, 6 here. And then 0, 8 duplex.
Sir, it is again 0.
0. And last 8 duplexes?
Sir, 16, yes.
64. Yeah, the answer is
Sir, 1, 1, 6, 6, 4.
very good. Then Yadav, proceed.
Sir, 1 duplex is 1, sir.
Okay.
So then 11 is 2. 11
Okay.
duplex is 2, sir. So then 1, 1, 1 is equal to 2 into 1 into 1, which is 2, plus 1 square, that is, sir, 1 only, so 3, sir.
3. Okay.
So then 11 duplex is 2 again.
Okay.
So then 1 duplex is 1.
So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1.
Sir, reverse also again same thing only.
Yes. And we'll do one more exercise based on this, and after that we'll take another.
So once can you just tell what this term duplex is?
Yeah, let me explain duplex.
Sir, okay.
Wait. Okay. And give names.
Sir,
Okay.
I'll tell names. Sir, first B Ritvik R. Sir, B Ritvik R.
Toshnika, just wait. I'll write the names and I'll explain the things.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Sir, B Ritvik R.
Last class absent.
Yes, sir. I was absent last class.
Then you would have referred the video better.
No, sir. Actually, I didn't find any recordings in this Wise app actually. So
Not
I
in
just
Wise app. I'll place in Google Classroom.
oh,
Sir,
okay,
B.
sir. Next
Sir,
time
B.
I'll just go through the recordings.
Sir, B Ritvik R.
Yeah.
Sir.
Ritvik R. Okay. Then.
Sir, then H Yatar.
Okay. Then.
Sir, then
E Sahaswita.
Yes.
Then J Toshnika.
J Toshnika. Then A Ashwat.
No, sir. I changed to K, sir. Sorry.
K Ashwat.
Sir, but
Yes, sir.
first two.
Sir, Shiva Pranav E.
E Shoprano is already over. Next.
Sir, F Ritvik N.
F Ritvik N. Okay.
Sir, D Sudisha.
Okay.
Sir, Ashwat K.
Okay.
Sir, Shiva Pranav F.
Okay.
So that's all.
F. Shoprano, take another question. This question is also gone. Okay, then see Shoprano. Actually, there are 13 members, including me, 14. Yeah, G Satvika.
Sir, G Satvika.
Means all the questions should be taken by all.
Sir, last A, sir. And I and L, sir. I didn't see.
Sir, Kunal is there.
AIL.
Sir, Ashwat L, sir. I think.
Sir,
I.
Kunal.
Ashwat is already taken K, na?
Sir, no.
Sir, Kunal, Mahavir.
A Jayit. Okay. A is
Sir,
taken
can
by
you
J.
explain me, sir? I'm not getting this.
Yeah, I will explain again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will explain I. Okay.
So, sir, no, sir. You explain K and I, sir. I'll explain the.
Sorry.
You explain K and I, sir. I'll explain.
L.
Sir,
Ashwat.
no changing, sir.
Sir, he keeps on changing, sir. First A, K, then L, sir.
No, sir. The
Sir,
Okay,
can
I
I
will-
take I? Sir, can I take I, Kunal?
Can
Kunal
you-
is I. Okay.
Can you just put a rule that you cannot change your
Sir,
question?
can you give me
Yes,
K?
sir.
Sir, can you give me K?
Yes, sir.
Kunal, which question? Kunal? K.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is matching.
Sir, I just wanted the bigger question, sir.
Okay, no issue. I will explain I. Okay. All of you listen to me carefully. Okay, Toshnika, for you, I'm explaining this question.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can
Can
you
you just
explain
first
the question?
explain
Jayit also.
So can you just explain this term duplex?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will explain duplex also.
Sir, not duplex, sir, like 3-digit number, any number, 3-digit.
No, sir. For you
For a
explain.
single digit, see here. For a single digit, duplex is nothing but simply squaring. Sorry,
Okay, so
one
calling
second,
square is duplex, sir.
Sir, 2 multiplied by 5, that's all.
One second. So duplex of 5 is 5 square. For a single digit, it is square, right? So then duplex of any other number like a 34 is, it is a
2 into
2-digit
3 is-
number. So 2 times of 3 into 4. Toshnika and Jayita, is it okay? 2 times of product
Sir,
of the.
not like this 3-digit number, like 4.
I will go to 3-digit also. You understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 3-digit number, see. Duplex of 345 is product of extremes, sir. 2 times of product of extremes plus middle digit square, 4 square. Toshnika, understood?
Yeah, sir. I'm
2
catching.
times of product
Sir,
of any digits.
what about 4 digits?
Yeah, I'll move on to 4-digit also, 5-digit also. Just wait and
30.
understand the things. Okay. Then
30.
duplex of 1, 2, 3, 4 is, how many digits are there?
4 digits.
4.
4 digits. Product of n digits are double, and again
Sir,
product of these two
I have
digits
a
are double.
doubt, sir. You didn't give the answer, right?
Which answer?
Sir,
Here
for
I'm
that,
explaining
sir.
duplex, that's all.
Sir, no, sir. Duplex for 3, 4, 5.
Okay, that is also required. Okay, tell me. This is how much? This is 30 plus 16 is 46.
46.
So here it is 24. Here it is 25. Okay.
Sir, nothing but 2 into 5.
Sir, yes, sir. After that steps, what? Sir, not like this, sir. Sir, last exercise.
Jayit,
like
let
that.
me explain. Let me complete duplex first, and later
Yes, sir.
using duplex, how to do squares also I will
Yes, sir. That I'm asking.
Okay, see. Toshnika, see here, if it is a 4-digit number, then 2 times of end digits product, that is 1 into 4, plus again 2 times of middle digits also, 2 times of 2 into 3 also.
Okay.
Understood?
So could you
So
just
now
put
you
it
can
back?
expect for 5-digit number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you tell me duplex
Yes,
of
sir.
duplex
Yes,
for
sir.
this?
And
Wait. Toshnika, try to do it.
So for first we need to take the n numbers and multiply them with 2.
2 into 1 into 5 plus
5 and plus 2 into 2 plus 2 into 4.
2 into 2 into 4. Okay.
And
Then
then 3 square plus 3
very
square.
good. Very good. Correct. Plus 3 square. So if even number of digits are there, then we'll not get any square. If odd number of digits are there, middle number square will come here. So 1, only 1 square. 3 digits are there, middle digit square. 5 digits are there, middle digit square. 6 digits, no square will be there. And for 7 digits, middle digit will be there and we'll get square. Okay. This is about duplex. Now let me explain question number 3103 square. See here, Jayit, 3103 square we are going to do. 4-digit number square. So first we have to take duplex of 3. Then duplex of 31. Then duplex of, duplex of
3103.
Yeah, 310. 310 only, 3-digit. And after the duplex of
3103.
and then reduce again. Duplex of
Sir,
103.
103 and duplex of
3.
Sir, why is it again 103?
Then 3.
then duplex of
3.
just 3. Okay. First 3 only, then 3 and 1, then 310 and then 3. Now after that cancel 3, 103, cancel 1, 03 and cancel 0, 3. Got it? Jayit, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tell me what is the duplex of 3?
Sir, 6. Sorry,
No.
9.
Very good. Duplex of 31? 2 into 3 into 1. Yeah, 6.
Yes, 6.
Duplex of 310 is product of these two is 0.
0.
2 times is also 0. But
0.
middle digit square will be there. 1 square is
1.
1. Then duplex of 3103 is product of these two is
9.
9 double is
18.
18 plus product
18
of these two will be 0. So no need to consider that. So overall it is 18 only, 1 and 8. Next, duplex of 103 is product of these two is
3.
3 double is
6.
as middle digit is 0, we can ignore that. So it is 6. Next, product of these two is
0.
0 into 2 is also 0. So it will be 0. And product of 3 is, duplex of 3 is
9.
9. So after balancing, your answer will be 9628609.
Sir, can you show it for a 3-digit number?
Why 3-digit number is required? Even after explaining 4-digit number, you are asking for a 3-digit number.
Sir, I do not understand that, sir.
What you didn't understand? There will be no such step will not be there here in that. So first you will take first digit, okay, Sudisha.
Yes,
Then
sir.
first 2 digits, then 3 digits, okay.
Okay, sir.
After taking 3 digits, ignore first digit, take second 2. Ignore second, take last. That's all.
Okay, sir.
1, 2, 3, then 2, 1. In that way. 1 digit, 2 digits, 3 digits. After that, 2 digits and 1 digit. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
For what? Yeah.
Can you show that form again?
Stop writing in chat box, okay? Unnecessarily.
Can you show that the form again?
Sir, I completed.
9628609.
Sir, I got the answer for the first one.
9628609.
Sir, can you show? Once I'll take screenshot.
Okay, take it.
1 minute.
Fast.
Sir, okay, sir.
Sir, can I start?
Jade, ready?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, 2 duplex is 4.
Okay.
Sir, in duplex of 21 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 is 4.
Okay.
Sir, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 1 square is 1, so it's 5.
No, 2 multiplied by 2, along with that, again 2 will be there, na?
Why, sir?
2 times of 2 into 2. Okay, 2 times of 2 into 2 plus 1 square.
Sir, so it's 8.
6 plus 1.
6 plus 1 is
Sorry.
7.
How much it is? Is it
Sir,
6?
9, sir. Sir, this is...
Yeah, 9. Okay, 9. Correct. Next, again 12.
Next is 12, right? 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 is 4.
Okay. And lastly,
And again, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4.
overall,
2 square.
4, 9, 4.
Sir, 4, 9, 4, 4.
9, 4. Correct. And there is no carry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, Ritvik, proceed.
Okay, so the question is 131. So first 1 duplex is 1 and 13 duplex is 2 into 1 into 3, which is 6.
Okay.
And 131 duplex is 2 into 1 into 1 plus 3 square is equals to 11 because 2 into 1 into 1 is 2 plus 11, 9 is equals to 11. Yes, sir. We should do carry out for that. And 31, sir. So 31 is 2 into 3 into 1 is equals to 6.
Okay.
And 1 is equals to 1. And last one is equals to 1. So the answer will be like 17161.
Very good. Then Shobhranav, proceed.
Yes, sir. Here first we should do 2 squares is equals to 4.
Okay.
So afterwards we should do 11 squares, sir. So
11 square. Where is 11?
Sorry, sir. 20 square.
Why 20 square? Duplex of 20, not square. Duplex of 20 is?
The duplex of 20 is 4, sir.
No. 2 into 2 into 0.
Sir. 4,
2
sir.
into 2. 4 is okay. After that, there is a 0. 4 into 0 is how much? 2 into 2 into 0 is how much?
Sir, 4.
2 2s are 4 is okay. 4 zeros are?
Sir, 0.
Again and again you are giving 4 as answer. Any number multiplied by 0, result is?
Sir, 0 only.
Okay, then 204 duplex.
The 204 duplex is, sir, 8.
8 double is?
16.
16. 2 times of 2 into 4, not only 2 into 4. Okay.
Sir, 72.
What is 72?
Sir, duplex of 8.
Then duplex of 04 is?
Sir, 0.
0. Very good. Duplex of 4 is?
Sir, 16.
16. After balancing, your answer is?
Sir, 4, 1, 6, 1, 6.
Correct. Then Sudisha, proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, the duplex of 5 is 25.
25, very good.
Then the duplex of 51 is, sir, it's going to
2
be
times of 5 into 1. 5
yes,
ones are
5.
double is 5 double.
Sir, 10.
10. Okay, 1 here, 0 here. Next 513 duplexes.
5, 1, 3. Sir, 5, 1, 3, 2, duplex.
5 threes are
5, 3s are 15.
15 double is
10, sir.
no, 15 double is 10. 15 twice. 15 twos are
So,
10 2 times is
sir, 20.
25 2 times
10.
10. 20 plus 10
30, sir.
30. 15 double is 30. Okay.
Yes, sir.
15 into 2 we have done in this way. 10 into 2 plus 5 into 2. Okay. 20 plus 10 it is 30.
Okay, sir.
30 plus 1 square. Nothing but 1 only. 30 plus 1 is 31. After that 13 duplexes.
Sir, it is
2 into 1 into 3.
yes, sir. 6, sir.
6. And lastly 3 duplexes.
9, sir.
9. After balancing your answer is?
Sir, 2, 6, 3, 1, 6, 9.
Very good. Then Sahaswita, proceed.
Yes, sir. Duplex of 2 is 4.
Okay.
26 is 24.
24, correct. Very good. Next.
263 is 48.
Oh, you got 48. 2 3s are 6, double is 12. 12 plus 36, right?
2 into 3 into 2 is
Yeah. 48, correct. And then 63.
36.
Oh, you got 36.
Sir, I haven't
6 into 3
18.
into 2.
36, correct. And lastly?
3 duplex, 9.
Yeah. After balancing
So,
answer?
6, 9, 1, 6, 9.
Correct.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Tell.
Sir, in the 4-digit case, after multiplying the 4 digits, we have to do from again last 3, right?
Yes. 1, only first, second, third, fourth. After 4 digits are over, then ignore first digit.
Third, second,
last
first.
3.
Sir, after 4 digits, again third, second, 1.
Last 3, last 2, last 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Ritvik, proceed.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I? Yes, sir. Sir, 2 duplex is 4.
Okay.
So then 2 into 2 into 6 is 24.
2 into 2 into 6, 24, correct.
Yes, sir. And then 2 into 2 into 4, which is 28.
16.
So
2 into 2 into 4 is 16.
Yes, sir. 2 into 2 into 4 is 16.
Plus?
And then plus 6 duplex is 28.
No, 36. 16 plus 36, right? 6 duplex is, sorry,
So
see
6
here.
duplex is
6 square. 2 into 4 plus 6 square.
yes, sir.
Right?
Sir, 6 square is 36. Yes.
This is 16 plus this is 36. How much total?
Okay, sir. Sir, then it will be 52. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, and then 6. 2 into 6 into 4, which is 48.
6 fours are 24, double is 48. Correct.
Yes.
And lastly?
Lastly, the answer will be 6, 9.
4 duplex.
Yes, sir. 4 duplex is 8.
No.
So,
16. 4 square. If it is a single digit, duplex is same as square.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After balancing, your answer is?
Sir, then it will be 6, 9, 6, 9, 6, sir.
69696. Okay, then Satvika.
Yes, sir.
Proceed. 3 duplexes?
9.
9. Okay. 31 duplex?
6.
6, correct. 313 duplex?
Sir, I got 19.
19. 3 3 is 9. Double is 18 plus 1. Very good. 19.
Sir, again 13 duplex 6.
6. And last 3 duplexes?
9.
9. After balancing, answer is?
97969.
969. Correct. Then Yadharth?
Yes, sir. Sir, 2 duplex is 4, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 21 duplex is 2 to the 4, sir, again.
Okay.
So then 217, sir. So which is, sir, 15, sir.
No. 2 7s are 14. Double is 28. 28 plus 1.
Sir, 29, sorry, sir.
29. 2 here, 9.
Sir, then
17.
17, sir. Sir,
2 into 1 into 7.
sir, 14, sir.
14. Okay. Last 7 duplex.
Sir, 7 is 14. Sir, so final answer will be 4, 6, sir, 7, 0.
Okay. My internet got
Sir?
disconnected. Power gone.
Sir, 089, sir.
089. Correct. Then Toshnika.
Yes, sir. So
Sir, I thought I did wrong, so that's why you stuck, sir. That's all.
Okay. Toshnika, proceed. 2
Yes.
duplexes.
so 2 square is 4.
Okay.
And then duplex of 21 is 4.
Okay. 213 duplex.
Yes, sir. Duplex of 213 is 13. So 1 below 4.
13. 2 3s are 6. Double is 12 plus 1. Very good. 13.
And
And
duplex
then,
of 2 is 14, sir.
yeah. 2 2s are 4. Double is 8. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus, yeah, 14. Correct.
And duplex
And then
of 2 is 12, sir.
132 is 12.
Yes,
So it is 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13, right?
Oh, okay, sir. Maybe I went wrong.
Yeah, 13. And then 32 duplexes. 2 into 3 into 2.
12, sir. Okay. Yeah, sir. It's 39 instead. 12, sir.
12. And then last 2 duplexes.
4, sir.
4. And the answer is?
4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4.
4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this much bigger answer also, this much bigger number squaring also we are doing in a single step, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then Kunal. Kunal, are you there? I think Kunal already gone. Yeah, he is there. Okay. Meanwhile, Ashwath, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
4 square 16.
Okay. Then 41.
2 into 4 into 1 is 8.
8. Okay. Then 414.
2 into 4 into 4 is 32 plus 1. 32 plus 1, 33.
33. Okay. Total number duplex.
Then 4 into 4, 2 into 4 into 4 is 32, sir.
Plus
Next
Plus 1 into 4 is 1 into 4 is 8.
2 into 1 into
4. 2
8.
into 1 into 4 is 8.
32 plus 8 is
32 plus 8 is 40.
40. Okay, then ignore 4. 144 duplex.
Okay. 8 plus 4 into 4.
8 plus 16, right?
8 plus 16, sir.
How much?
It is 24.
24. And lastly, sorry, not last. 44 duplex is
44 duplex is 2 into 4 into 4, which is 32.
32. And lastly, 4.
4 square, 16.
16. Yeah, after balancing, answer is
1, 1, 7.
1, 7.
1,
1,
7,
7,
2,
2,
7, 3, 1.
7,
Sorry, 3, 6.
6. That's all. Yeah, Kunal, now proceed.
Yes,
Kunal
sir.
ready?
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
One duplex is?
Sir, the question is 1414.
Okay.
1414, sir. So,
One duplex is 1.
yes, sir. One duplex is 4.
No, one duplex is 1 only. 14 duplexes?
Sir,
14 duplexes?
14 duplex is 4.
I think you need to revise the previous class. You are not there in the previous class, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will explain. See here.
Sir,
Okay, one duplex is 1. 14 duplexes, 4 2s are 8. 414 duplex is 1. 1 into 1 into 1, 2 is 2. Plus 16 is 18. 1 and 8. Total number duplexes. This is 8 and it is also 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 here, 6 here. Ignoring 1. 414 duplexes. 4 4s are 16. Double is 32 plus 1 is 33. And then ignoring 4, 14 duplexes 8. And lastly 4 duplexes 16. So after balancing, answer is 199, 999, 396. Okay. So general squaring technique is okay. Can you now you can do for any number, right? Are you there? All of you?
Yes.
All of you, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, as this is a method, I need to, I have explained this one. Which one you feel comfortable, you can do that. Suppose if you see question number C, what is the number here?
204.
204. We can do 204 in using base method also. 204 square. How much it is? What is the base here? 200. How much it is extra? 4. If you add 4, it will be 208. And we have to double this number because our base is 200. We have to double this number. After doubling, it will be 416. After that, we need to reserve 2 positions, and those 2 positions should be filled by this square 16. 4 square 16. So 41616. Is it same? Yes or no? You method choices of yours only. You can do your own method. Which one you feel comfortable, you can go with that method. Okay, then we are moving on to another type. Squaring series of ones. Squaring series of ones. See here, for 11 I'm explaining, and for 12, 13, for 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, you can do. All of you listen to me carefully. How many ones are there?
There?
Yeah, sir, are you there?
Yes.
Sir, suddenly you're stuck, sir.
Where?
Now, sir.
Sir, before 1 minute you were stuck, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, see. Duplex is clear now. Using duplex, squaring using duplex is clear, correct? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving on to another type.
Division, sir. You told division.
No, squares are not completed. So there are some more special squaring techniques are there. We'll see that, and then we'll start square roots. After square roots, we'll start divisions. Okay. Yeah. How many ones are there?
Sir, 2.
2 ones. Simply write 1 and 2, then reduce to 1 again. Simply write 1 and 2. How many 2s are there? Sorry, how many 1s are there? Increase that much and reduce to 1 again.
Sir, if there is another number.
Another one. So
No,
tell me
sir,
here.
1, sir, 1, 3.
That, sir, like if it
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3,
And
1.
then
1, 2, 3, 1.
1, 2, 3.
2, 1.
1, 2, 1.
Yeah, start from 1, increase up to number of ones, and then decrease to 1 again. Yeah, tell Sudisha.
Okay,
What is
sir,
your
sir,
doubt?
I understood.
So my doubt is that what if it is 1 to 1? If the question is 1 to 1.
Then go for previous method using duplex. This is for series of ones. See, squaring series of any digit. In that any digit, first we are seeing ones, and later we'll see 2, then we'll see 3 and 4 and so on. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Tell the answer for this.
Sir, it's
1, 2,
3, 4.
3,
2,
1,
3,
2, 3, 4,
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
2, 1. So in the previous exercise, there is one question. So see here. This is our previous exercise. In this, not in this. I think before this exercise.
Yadharth's question,
in this.
sir. 1,
Yeah,
1,
Yadharth
1.
question. Correct. So here, Yadharth question is
Sir, 1,
triple
1,
1.
1.
So instead of using duplex method, we can directly answer this 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 simply. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And tell me answer for this.
Sir, 1, 2, 3,
Sir,
4,
1,
5.
1, 2,
4,
3, 4, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
4,
3,
3,
4, 5.
1, 2, 3,
4,
4,
3,
5,
2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1. Correct. What if there are twos? Series of twos. See here.
2, 1,
Yeah.
2 into 2.
Let me explain first. Okay. Let me explain first. So here in the previous case, 1, the number is 1. That's why you may do 1 square also 1, or 1 cube also 1, or 1 power 4 is also 1. So that's why we cannot say whether this 1 is 1 square or 1 cube or 1 power 4, right? But here it is 2. We have to deal with the 2 square. What is 2 square?
4.
4.
Sir.
So start with 4. Add 4, 4. How many 4s we have to add? How many 2s are there? Those many 4s we have to add. And then
Also
again
2.
reduce to 4. So first write only 4. Then 4 plus 4 is
8, sir.
8. Then again reduce to 4. Because only 2 2s are there. That's why we have added 2 times only. That's all. That's the answer. Got it? Understood?
Sir, means 2,
Understood,
2,
sir, yes.
2 is there. We have to do 4, 8.
Yeah.
Sir,
If there are two series, so we have to deal with the 4s. We have to deal with 4s.
Sir, means 2 into 2, 4. And 4 into 2 is 8. Again 4.
Yes. Actually, we have to add first 4, then 4 plus 4 is 8. Then again, if one more 2 is there, then suppose if this is the question,
2
then
into 2 is 4. Again 4 into
first
2
is 4,
8.
then
4, 8.
4 plus 4 is
8.
4,
8,
8.
and 8 plus 4 is
Sir, 12.
12. As the 12 is a double
Sir, carry
digit, that's
over.
why we have to yes,
Balance.
balance. 1 here, 2 here.
Sir, then
And
again.
12 is over means 3 2s are over. Then again reduce to 4. Before 12?
Sir, then
Before
4.
12? 8. And
Oh.
before 8?
Sir, 4.
4. That's all.
Sir, 4, 9, 2, 8, 4.
Yeah, 4 9 2 8 4. Got it?
Sir, I did not understand.
Yes, sir.
Number.
First 4. Okay. Sudisha.
Yeah, okay, sir.
4 plus 4 is
8, sir.
8. 8 plus 4 is
12, sir.
12. How many times we have added? 3
Sir.
times, right? 4 is added 3 times. Because there are 3 2s, we have added 3 times. And now again reduce. Before 12, what we have written?
8, sir.
8. And before 8?
4, sir.
4. After balancing, your answer is this one.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. What if there are 4 2s are there? Then first is
Sir, 4.
Not 2.
8,
4. 4. Then
4, 8.
8.
So 4. Then 12.
Then 12.
Then 16.
Then 16. Yeah.
Then
Before
12.
16. 12.
Then 12.
Before 12.
Then 8.
8. And before 8.
Then 4.
4. The answer is 493738.
Yeah. 4937284.
So it's 3. Okay, sir.
4937. Here, how many 2s are there?
5.
5 2s means 5 times we have to add 4. First is 4. Then
4, 8,
8,
12,
12,
16,
16.
2.
One more time. 20.
Yes,
Okay.
20.
16 plus 4 is 20.
Sir, again
Okay.
6.
Now number of 4s
Sir, again
are
16.
over. Yeah, again 16.
Sir, again 12.
12,
Sir, 8,
8, and then
2, 4, 4, 4.
so after balancing answer is
4,
9,
9,
3,
8,
1,
1,
7,
7, 2, 8, 4.
2, 8, 4. Is it not easy?
It's easy.
Yeah. What if there are 3 series it is?
Sir,
Then we
it's
have to
9,
deal with
9,
Yeah, very good. 9, sir. So first is
9,
9. Then 9 plus 9 is
18.
18. Now 2 times is over, right?
Yes, sir.
Then again
Sir, again 9.
9. Yeah. After balancing, your answer is
Sir,
1089.
1089.
1089. Correct. And if 3 3s are there, then
Sir, 9.
9, 18.
Sir,
9,
9, 18.
18.
18.
Sir, 9, 18, 9.
9 3s or 18 plus 9.
Yes, sir. 18 plus 9 is
27.
27.
Yeah, 3
Sir,
3s are
again
over.
8.
Now reduce.
Sir, again 18. Sir, again 18.
And again
Sir, again 9.
9.
9.
Sir,
Yeah, any doubt? Some
Sir,
person raise their
11.
hand.
Sir, 11.
1 second. Toshnika, any doubt? Sudisha, doubt?
No, sir. My only doubt is that, okay, now for 3, 2, and 1, we had single digits and we did like this. So
Yeah,
for
even for 4 also we can.
okay, so we're going to carry forward, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Got
Yeah.
it.
Then after balancing here, the answer is 11, 0, 9. Sorry, 8, 8, 9. Correct? 110, 889. Yeah. So up to 8 series, this is the procedure. And for 9s, it is different. For 9s, it is very easy. See here. For 9s. Yeah. How many 9s are there?
Sir, 2.
2.
2 9s. Write 1 9,
81.
then 1 8.
Sir, why, sir?
Write 1 9 and 1 8. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, 9 square is 81, right?
No. That is what I told. So you can use that procedure up to 8 numbers, but 9 it is very easy. We don't need to do that. Directly we can write the answer. We can tell the answer.
Why, sir?
Not your question should not be why. How? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, we can answer it even without that procedure. Also, we can answer it. Okay, we can close the session by 5. Yeah, 4 4 4 also we will do in that exercise only. 4 4 4 square. See, first is 16. Again, 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 16,
44.
48. After 48 again, 32. Again, 16. After balancing, your answer is 197,136. That's all.
Okay, sir. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, for 99, see here, all of you, listen to me carefully. I will explain again. There are 2 9s, sir. Write 1 9 and 1 8. Simply write 1 0 and 1 1. 9801.
So
Okay.
what about the 3 9s?
Sorry?
What if we have 3 9s, sir?
3 9s, see here. Write 2 9s and 1 8. Write 2 zeros and 1 1. Got it?
Sir, at 10th, it's compulsory to have a 0 1, sir.
Yeah.
So the 8 remains constant, right, sir? How many are the 9?
8 remains constant and 1 remains constant. And number of digits are, number of 9s are 3. We'll take 2 times 9 and 2 times 0.
Okay, sir.
What if there are 4 9s then?
Sir, but when there are 2
Sir,
9s,
sir, it will be
Sir, 9
9s, 8,
sir, 3 9s,
3 9s,
eight,
then
1
8.
8,
3 zeros,
3 zeros,
and,
Three
and
zeros.
1, sir.
1 1.
1. Actually, from where it came? Do you remember base method? 999. Suppose if it is 999, what is the base here?
Sir, 1000.
1000 is the base. How much is less?
The 1.
So,
1 is less. So less means that's why we have to represent it minus. So if you subtract 1, it will be
Sir, 998.
998.
998.
After that, we need to reserve how many positions?
sir,
Sir,
2.
3.
No, 3.
Three.
Because
Base
our
number-
base consists of
yes,
3
yes,
digits,
yes, yes.
3 zeros, that's why 3. And those 3 digits should be filled by this 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1.
Sir,
0,
0
0,
0
1.
0 0 1.
Understood,
Okay.
sir.
And even we have reduced this process like this. Okay.
Sir. Okay, sir.
And let us do one more. So here, how many 9s are there?
Sir, 9.
Five.
Sir, 1.
Sir,
5,
5,
sir.
sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
Sir,
then it
4
will be
9.
Sir, 4
4
9s,
9s,
1
1
8.
8,
Sir,
4
4
zeros,
zeros.
and 1.
sir, the 1.
That's all. Okay. Up to series of 8, use that method, previous method. For 9s, it is very easy, right? And last squaring technique. Squaring for numbers ending with 1. Squaring numbers ending with 1. See here. All of you, listen to me carefully. So here, except this 1, what is the remaining number?
Sir, 2 squares.
2,
2 square is how much?
4.
So I'm writing the procedure first for first question, 2 square. And 2 times of 2 and lastly 1. Okay. First to do the square for this and then double it and then write 1. So,
So we
2
need
square
to
is 4.
square it 8 times.
First time it is square.
Yeah, so the second time is also doubling, right? So it's the same.
Yeah, second time is doubling only. If it is 3 also, 3 into 2.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah,
got
2
it.
into 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And
Sir,
let us,
at end, there will be a 1, sir.
yeah, 1 is common. For every question, 1 is common.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, do it for this one. First
Sir,
5
it
square
will
is
be,
Sir, 25.
it will be
25.
2.
25.
5 double is
Sir, 5 double.
Sir, 5 double is 10, sir.
10, sir.
and lastly 1 common.
Sir,
Yes,
2
sir,
6
6
1.
0 1.
That's all. Okay. Squaring, doubling, and then 1. Squaring,
Sir,
doubling,
can you
and
tell
then 1.
This will be,
Sir, can you
this will
tell
be,
me 91 and 99 again?
Yeah, 91 is ready already.
sir,
Okay,
it's 81,
9 square is 81.
81,
9 double is
18,
18, 1 here, 8 here, and then 1 common.
1. So then it will be 8 2 8 1.
Ah, yes, 8 to 8 1. Ashwad, okay? Yeah, do it
Sir,
for
he
30
wants-
minutes.
What about
99, sir, he wants.
Sir, this will
99,
be,
it's already done, previous case only.
Sir, can you
9801.
tell numbers all digits 9, sir?
Ah, yes. But here the case is numbers ending with 1. Na?
sir, this answer will be 9 6 1.
Yeah,
sir.
9, 3 square is 9, 3 double is 6, so 1. Because there is no common, 961. Sorry, because there is no carry.
Oh,
that's
carry
why.
forward.
Yeah, carry forward is not there.
Sir,
Then tell me, 6 square is
yeah, sir, 36,
36. 6 double is
60, 12,
12. Lastly,
1.
1.
Sir,
So 3 7
3 7 2 1.
2 1. That's all. And one more is, except this 1 is the remaining number. What is the remaining number here?
Sir, 12,
12 square is?
24.
No, 144. 12 square,
Uh-oh.
nothing but 12 into 12. Okay. 12 double is?
Sir, for 24.
24 means 2 here, 4 here. And lastly?
1. So it will be
Answer is?
1, 4, 6, 4, 1.
That's all. And then last question, I think.
Sir, this would be 8.
4 square is?
Sir, 4 square is 16.
16. 4 double is?
8.
8. And lastly?
1.
1. There is no carry. 1681. And last question for this session. 13 square is?
Sir, 13 is 1, 5.
169. Okay.
Yes, sir, 169.
13 double is? 13 double.
Yes, sir. It will be 2.
What remaining persons are doing? Only Ritvik is responding. What about remaining? 26.
Yes, sir.
Lastly?
Lastly 1. Yes, sir. Sir, it will be 17161.
That's all. Okay. So in the next class, we'll see square roots. After that, we'll see division.
Tomorrow, do we have any Vedic maths exam?
Yes, sir. Sir, you can keep right, sir.
Sorry?
Sir,